Your iPhone shows unavailable with no timer. Don't panic. Let's break down why this occurs and how to regain access. Why does your iPhone skip the timer and go straight to unavailable? Security lockdown. iOS triggers this if it detects brute force passcode attempts. System corruption. Failed updates, jailbreak errors, or beta iOS bugs can crash the secure enclave, disabling timers entirely. Method 1, Official Fix, Recovery Mode, requires Apple ID. Force restart into recovery mode, quickly press volume up and volume down, and hold the side button until recovery icon appears. Click Restore in iTunes. Note, you'll need your Apple ID password afterward to bypass activation lock. Method 2, Bypass without Apple ID, using MagFone. Click Unlock iOS screen. Start. Follow the guide to enter recovery mode. MagFone auto-detects your iPhone model, click Download to get firmware. Click Unlock. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Done. Method 3, use Find My or iCloud. Visit iCloud.com, log in with your Apple ID. Scroll to the bottom and click Find My. Select the iPhone you need to unlock and click Erase iPhone.